Not only do I have a new luxury bag to share with you, but this is a brand that I have never had in my collection. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I do fashion and luxury videos here, so make sure to stick around after this one and watch more. But let's go ahead and dive into my newest handbag. As you can see from this oversized dust bag, this is a bag from MCM. I did partner with them for today's video, and this is one of those brands that you guys have asked about for many, many years. So I am really excited that I'm finally getting a chance to try out one of their bags firsthand. So I am going to be able to touch it, feel it, experience the brand, and share that with you guys. And honestly, you shouldn't be surprised what I picked. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I am currently living in a smaller, more structured bag. So I was in the mood for something oversized, something comfortable, and something that I could just throw all my things in. This is the Lenny bag from MCM Worldwide. I grabbed her in the cognac color. She does come in black. She also comes in a blue color, but you guys know I just gravitate towards these colors. This, as you can see, I'm wearing a black top, and how amazing do they look together? I feel like a lot of times when people are wearing black, they think that the right thing to do is to gravitate towards the black bag, and I completely disagree. I actually think going with something like this adds contrast, adds depth, and actually looks a lot more stylish. So this cognac color to me is perfection. Of course, you have the black in the like logoed canvas here as well. This is a signature MCM Worldwide. This is a brand and a logoing that we are all familiar with. So not only do you have this beautiful canvas, but you also have a leather piping detail throughout the bag as well. And then 24 karat plated brass with the hardware. There's not a lot of hardware on this bag, but I love the fact that even the little bit of hardware that is on here is really nice quality. I feel like when it comes to that, you're kind of seeing less of that higher quality detailed in luxury. So I love that they really stick with the higher end details here. It's a really simple bag with two like patch pockets here. We'll talk about those in a second. Nothing on the back, just the piping detail. And then when you open her up, it's really just one large opening. Let me unclasp this here so you can really see. There are no pockets or anything inside. It is just a hole. Obviously, you could put an organizer in it if you want to. I personally don't love organizers. And if I'm being honest, I don't really feel like this bag needs it in regards to the structuring of it. Even though it's a really soft, comfortable bag, because they did the piping here on the bottom and created a base, it actually does hold its structure really nicely while also still being really comfortable to wear and very flexible on your body. Speaking of, I absolutely love that the shoulder drop is not only long here but wide. So come fall and winter, when you're wearing the thick sweaters and the heavier coats, you're going to be able to still get this over your shoulder with no issues. This is just going to be one of those bags that's going to be easy to carry all of your essentials and some, not only because of the size, but also just the flexibility and just the overall kind of practicality of that shoulder strap. Obviously, when it comes to a shoulder bag, a double shoulder strap like this, you can get in and out of the bags really easily, which again, I just love. I've been talking about shoulder bags a lot lately on my channel. It's just kind of a must-have for me to have a bag that's not only easy and comfortable to wear on the shoulder, but easy and comfortable to get in and out of. And then obviously that's a size that can not only fit all of my essentials, but and some if that's what I'm in the mood for at that particular time. And right now I am craving size, you guys. I feel like I've been living in this tiny little bag, and it's time for me to move into this one and get all comfy and cozy. I know we're not quite into fall yet, but I do really think that this would be a good fall and winter bag just because of those details. I also do want to point out these pockets. I don't know about you, but I very much dislike it when luxury bags especially create these pockets that are not at all practical. And that is not the case with these pockets. They are really nice and oversized. So you can definitely fit your phone in here. You can fit a mini wallet in here, put your money and cards and button closure that if you want to have some options for a little bit more security. I think these pockets can obviously serve that because they're really, really functional and big, but you've got the little added security with the buttons as well. I think that about covers it. I am going to be moving into her right away, and she is going to be my new go-to bag for the next couple of weeks. And if you guys want any more videos in regards to this bag, make sure to put those requests down in the comments. Thank you so much to MCM for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.